What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I'm not going to do too much talking in that one, my people. I'm going to do that one quick and fast. So, Dragga, TT, and Shanel take over the show at Jabass party last night, my people. I have to share that with Uno. The three of them are one big happy family. You know what I mean? And I saw it for go, so a man for live. You see me? A man for be treated but like a king. You know what I mean? I'm a love how dog I live. You see me? I say one day when me grow up more and be like him. You see me? Have two women and them now first not them a first look a bit, but eventually them get together and that should the cussing and the fighting and just know see a Dragga them did it for. You know what I mean? Boy, more Dragga teach me how to do it. But moving from that, my people, Maya and TJ that the party also, I don't know, say them and did kick off for the year. So the Lion man link them up back together, you see me, I make them turn back friend, you see it. So I'm gonna share that with Uno. The Lion man also this the youth we power with Annie them, what him name, when him drive a car or something. Yeah, like the dog never look too fly, you know what I mean? So the Lion man really style the dog. And I make it look like same now style the dog in him face, but behind him back he must style the dog. I say what that he have on. When you know the dog mischievous and tan. You see me I say. So yeah, me I go to the highlight at Jabass party last night. I don't know if I book TJ and Maya still. I feel like I book TJ and Maya. You know what I mean? The dog place a jump, my people. It's a nice little setting theme. You know what I mean? But I feel like say the place could have look a bit bigger. But you know what I mean? That still. So I also have Annie, TT, and the whole of them sit down from yesterday to in the night, you know what I mean? And some things go on in the night where some people forward on the live and ask some questions, and one woman up on the live and I ask TT some question like how she feel for that the yard and them something there. I'm gonna share that with Uno, cause TT express how she feel about Annie them. You know what I mean? And you have to jump in one at a time and set the woman straight where she know say yo where you talk and so it go. You see me? So I'm gonna share that also she bother. You know what I mean? This up Annie in the wickedest way. You know say she bother not really in the country right now. Him overseas but he still a beat people. You know what I mean? And I get it from him. You see me I say? We also have Jamaican Barbz. I don't know if you remember that girl there. That woman there where she and Cheese and Ivany did go up on the audition for bodies. Yeah, CPS end up take away her daughter. You see me? Maybe I think all our kids them CPS take away. You see me? Because she must bring one of them. I think the one where the one with disabled. Bring that one there for go make she stay at one place because things now go on to welfare and them end up take it away, you see me? So I'm gonna share that with Uno also. Yesterday I see it clip, so I'm gonna share it with Uno. And I mean, I don't know if I left out nothing, but these are the things I have to share with Uno. Maybe me even add more things as we go along, so I could kick it off for people.
Talk about that how you feel. It's not to be about man, just talk how you feel naturally, how you feel reason. Alright?
If you love being around, if you don't want to get left out or
the reason why I am around because Mika love me, Zoe love me, Alex love me, so does Annie. And Mika me left because me make them compatible and happy. It's not all about Dragga because I don't business with Dragga. Shanel don't have a problem with me. If she have a problem with me, woman to woman tell me she have a problem with me. You understand?
Okay, Titi, but do you think, just watch Shanel body language and everything, do you not think Shanel got a problem with you? What do you think when you read the room?
Well, me not watch body language.
I think you need to do what, babe?
Observe with people.
Hold on.
Observe people. That's me.
Okay.
If me look for you, I'm going to say you have a problem with me, I'm going to tell you. And I'm going to ask you if you like to me, you're going to know say you like to me.
Okay, you say you're very observant.
Because just your body reaction make me know say.
No, TT, baby. TT, body language means say you have to do puppet dance. It doesn't mean that. It doesn't mean that, baby girl. What it means, you look at facial repression. Listen, if you watch just now when people say certain things where Shanel know say lick out by you, Shanel are dead with laugh. Shanel are dead with laugh. But because you're so caught up in all of this, baby girl, you can't see. You cannot see. I'm not saying that you can't be friend with Mika. You can't be friend with Annie and all of that because Annie is a good person. She's showing you love. Mika is showing you love. But you have to think about it as well, TT. The loyalty is not with you.
Over loyalty and with her.
I'm just saying.
No,
Annie, Annie. No, I'm not judging. No, Annie. Annie, I'm just trying to say, Jagga is your son, right? If push come to shove, where Jagga and against TT, who would you choose?
Come again. Say that again, baby.
Go on. Where your razor on?
No, hold on, no, wait, making hand stay down.
What I'm trying to say. I'm saying you love TT, right?
Yeah.
And I'm saying if your loyalty is with your son, that's what I'm saying. Your loyalty is with your son. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm trying to say if anything should happen, your two things. Your loyalty is gonna be with your son and with your grandkids. That's where your loyalty will be.
Definitely.
So I'm saying to you, if you come to a position where you realize that your son is at stake, your godson is at stake, your loyalty is not going to be with TT. Well, of course you're going to show her love and support.
Of course, definitely. Why? Explain why you don't think so.
Because, I mean, remember, you know, Annie is not the person who to choose. If Jagga if a Jagga is up to Jagga. Suppose Jagga decides, alright then, I want TT around. A TT are going run.
Because she would allow that.
No, it's not about Shanel allowing it. It's about Jagga allowing it because Jagga the man. And the two of them listen to Jagga. Let's say two of them.
First of all, what the leader is not understanding is not me and Jagga allow TT to be here. That is Annie decision and Annie make sure they have phone. Stop talking about me.
No, but alright.
Okay. Hold on. Give me a card then I'll see. Come, get up.
Yeah. Come to good body, Annie. Come to right.
No. The whole decision or TT got here, it was about the threesome. Shanel did up to the threesome.
No.
Yes.
Jabass is trying to
No, listen to me.
Calm down.
So we come to bump.
Threesome up to until them sleeping at the bed, the three of them sleeping at bed and enjoy themselves. Okay? No, listen to me. TT, around I'm right. Okay. So when listen to me. I did not say that TT. TT. You're gonna end up in them bed. Now three on sleep together. Yeah. You see you girl, you're slow, you know. God told me not like take up for you, you know.
What's that?
No, when we realize, well, I get fear part. When we realize when we say what happened to TT afterward now, when Shanel not appear in the mind, Jagga did not appear in the mind anymore. Everything go down. TT get left out. I felt bad for TT. You understand me?
Of course. And as a mother and as a woman.
Oh God, it could have been my child because TT is a young girl. I realized that she not use yourself.
Yes.
She do fast.
I think TT is a bit slow.
Yeah.
So what I did now, I take up TT and make TT know, say listen to me, leave Jagga alone. I want her to move on. If she want to get a brand new relationship, me no care. But I like her to move on, but she stick with me because she said she love me.
Are you sure I love to? Because I did not tell no lie. You said something and me not know. You said two things not too long ago. I think someone was on the live. You said you don't like Shanel ways.
Yes.
But you have love for Shanel, but you love TT.
I do love TT. I love for TT. I love for Shanel. But I don't like Shanel ways. Shanel have
what ways do you not like with her? Does she know the ways that you don't like?
Okay, the ways I don't like with Shanel is very toxic. She's very embarrassing, especially when she go out in public. She don't know to hold herself. Like, she will embarrass you in a crowd bad. Ask anybody.
You know why?
When she embarrass you in public, me I tell her say she do it and it nasty. She will argue with Jagga any and everywhere. You understand? And I don't like that about
I'm
Shanel.
not bother with it, because you're toxic to it. You argue with anybody in your front too. So you're toxic.
So tell us
No, Shanel.
I'm in a fight with anybody in a crowd.
One second.
I'm not that person.
Go on.
Talk Eldino.
1 second. Alright. Let me ask you still differently. Shanel allow TT there, yeah?
Yes.
First.
Yes, she has to be a part, of course, 100%.
You don't understand why you allow Shanel. Because the lady said if it was she would have not been here, knowing that her mate is here. So
No, she couldn't have did that.
Alright, so my observation at TT and our situation, me thinks that TT just want to be like around genuine people. She want belong. You understand? And she love the vibe where Annie them bring. So she comfortable around them in her way. So right now it boiled down to she just being around people where she feel comfortable around. You see me, the only person who kind of give her a little cold shoulder in her way is Shanel, because Shanel territorial. You see me, Shanel no want a woman come too close to Dragga. You see me, maybe them we do the thing in the bedroom, yes, but as far as like fear lovey-dovey and itch up on the Dragga and him, Shanel no want that. She want her man for herself. You see me? But TT willing to take the opportunity whenever she get it to be with Dragga. You know what I mean? And she love their own the family. I just that me see with TT. You know what I mean?
She say you and TT live good. Me say well, I mean it look like everything is good.
Everything was
I'm
going
still not gonna sleep together. No, but I mean if you wasn't going to come here and if you have feelings.
You wasn't gonna come here, but you're here.
You know what, their own TT. You wanna come?
You wanna come?
So
listen, as I said,
we're not here with Sheffield. Sorry.
As I said, TT, one thing I would tell, not TT, Shanel, one thing I would tell you, once you make a man start take you, the idiot and the fool and lose disrespect, baby girl, there is no way coming back.
Miss, me no want to cut you again. I go come out there and see. I want to tell you one more reason I don't like. Me not hate her, you know. Me say me not like her ways. I watch Shanel over these years and see how she allow Dragga to treat her. Even if Dragga my pitney, me now go stand up there and tell life for my son. Right? And when me realize I put my mouth in it all the while, me always get the shitty end of the stick.
Yes.
Because she never ever stand up for herself as a woman. She rather put her man first. No matter if your man comes and bop off his hand, she give him the next hand and say, baby, pop off my next hand. And that me don't respect with her because she don't stand up for herself as a woman. That's it.
And that's the reason why Dragga would not have respect, because with all the sister Shanel, okay, and it let me tell her something. Maybe Shanel just, you know, say a lot of women it's like this. A lot of women don't mind just know say I mean I come on to me and the picnic with some woman mindset is like that. You understand?
Yeah.
Them just know say I mean I come on to a night time, you can do anything when you want and stuff like that. But you have to understand, say, we have to know we body your pH are going to chew off, you will catch all kind of stuff, you understand, especially because people young and just have fun.
Yeah.
Alright, what made us say still?
Yes.
I feel like I love, like, Shanel love Dragga to a way she can't do without him anymore. You ever think of that yet? Like,
it can be obsession, maybe it's not love, it's infatuation, maybe it's obsession as well.
Yeah, you're right.
This will come off.
Because I think, Shanel, I think what we women need to do is learn about ourselves. Learn about ourselves. We not have to listen, no matter how we say we love, and trust me, time is a healer. If you start put on your foot now and decide, say, Dragga, you're not going to do this no more. If you want to be a man and you want to be a father, you come around here. So until then, do your thing with co-parent. And when it hurts your girl, just go on. Just do the do.
I drop put it back here.
As a minister, you see in a life, you see, and everybody is like that. And everybody firm them way.
Thank you.
You see me, I say, you see, most women, let me tell you, see, most women, it's when them grow up certain way, depends on who them grow around. It's like, them done mature in another way, the way it cannot be changed. You see me I say? So if them try, it's like them always have to hurt themselves if they even try that. It's like
There's nothing God cannot do. There's nothing God cannot do. God, we are special. We are unique in our own way. There's nothing if we start give the thing about it because we give ourselves to the wrong things then. At the end of the day, we are wonderfully made and beautiful, made by God. We're not here to be using like a toy, to use like a yo-yo. We are not here for that. We are queens. And we keep dropping with crowns beneath men that are not ready for us.
And that is it. And that is it when time with my son. A lot of people feel like I don't talk to my son. When it come on you advantage of somebody girl child, me not like that. And that is where me put down my foot. Me put down my foot with TT, tell her the truth in her ears, but me no say maybe go back to the next ears. I told her, move on, because me know TT deserve better. But TT tell herself, said, no, I'm in love. I'm trying to love. I'm realizing Shanel now definitely tell herself, say, listen to me. My kids them never grow up without any me never grow up with no father, as in she, because I heard her story. And she would want her kids them to grow up with their father in a family home. So she
that's fair enough.
To let go at the end of the day. So no matter what you say, no matter what the pastor say, no matter what the FBI say.
Alright, but you me believe say.
Can I answer one question?
Yeah, hold on, 1 minute. Okay. But you say in a real life, you see every young person have a role to play. Have to go through certain things to learn in a life. So it's like you don't fall. If you pray, don't fall on meds and learn how to fight, you get stronger. But some are slow and some are fast. You see, understand?
But so then sometimes what it is but we have to understand, darling, we are mothers. And this is why sometimes our kids become like this, because we are broken. And because we are broken women, we're grazing broken children. And then this is why it become a domino effect to all the kids, because we grow up broken. We decide, before we decide, we not sort ourselves up before we have kids. And then guess what? We're going through trauma, and then we are doing motherhood in trauma. So then you realize that these kids are going to basically, it's like the cycle now broke.
True, and sometimes it's who you grew up with, you know. That's why I always tell people, oh, they say, yo, mother and father, say if you have a child, trust me, when you grow them the right and proper way, you want to know, say now go arm them in the future, bro. You see me, I say, no, don't just have your children. I know, say, you feel that.
Quick question. Me just want to ask you, because I don't want to take up, because maybe someone want to come up, because you say you want to have 2-3 more people.
Yeah.
Do you think that Shanel being around, not Shanel, Jesus please, try to, no, sorry. Do you think that TT is around will help her to stay away from Jagga? Because the thing that she feels for Jagga, she craves for Jagga, and because she in at the house with Jagga, do you think that she can decide, say, you know what? Me no want Jagga, or me not gonna do this, but because she run her body maybe crave and she maybe are gonna end up doing things with whatever. So do you think it's a good thing to have her around?
To be honest, me think about that for true, you know.
Yes.
Think about it.
Yes.
Think about it.
Yes, it's a good thing.
I think it's from our
It's a good thing, because you know why?
Shut up, man.
They know one of them will realize who need it. You know, the end of the day, you know. Let me tell you something. There are people out there, you know, we have 9 wives, you know. I have once have a friend in Trinidad.
Not Muslim. They're not Muslim, though. They're not Muslim.
And every one of them comfortable with each other.
Me want Anna answer the question.
Hey, one more thing. Remember, you know, 2 of them being around and getting used to one another. So probably what could up in the next 2 more years from now. Next year we're gonna see 2 of them. They're everywhere together and comfortable one day.
Besties, sisters' wives. Sisters' wives.
me answer to Eldin, I will kill you.
Watch it, 2 of them run about the twins. Minute 1, minute 2.
And they kiss. You see?
Them are go to where exactly what I'm saying right now.
Listen,
Annie, what's something me gonna say? You see TT, you see TT, and you see Shanel. No disrespect, it one or uno clueless, uno headless.
Yo, you see that woman, yeah? Me don't know why Annie not take her down half of the thing, you know. Because, my people, you see this time, you say if somebody, like, drain the energy certain way, and I bring bad vibes, you know what I mean? If you can just take them down, or avoid them company, or whatever, you do it. Me know say, them girl, yeah, them maybe love the man, yeah. You understand? But me feel like say all of these things that them a do is like the entertainment value of it. You see me I say yeah they maybe love the man as me say Shanel territorial you know what I mean and she love her man and TT have feelings for the dog also. You see me? So all you have to do is just love pan who you love pan until them give a reason to left them. But as me say when it come to the bun thing, that's one of the thing where you know really have to left a man right away far. You know what I mean? If you get too much and you feel like you step away, you step away. You understand? But that woman yeah, you know what I mean, she rubbed me the wrong way. Me don't know if because me like to see people where nothing now go on for progress. You see me I say and me love to see like how Annie them lock the place right now and them thing up and running and I go on good. Me don't know if I that kind of have a veil over my eye if you say if something wrong or this woman is just negative. Let me know all the thing with people. Tell me.
You notice say when the man come on the phone, when the man say, oh no, no, so the man do, you know, you hear the man a big up Dragga because when the man want to say, Tony not have no sense, you not idiot. And then the man want to tell you, the man not read between the lines. You hear the man big up Dragga. You hear all the man big up Dragga. You hear the man big up Dragga.
So you realize what me did not say to you in the first half, right?
And the hear what? Listen.
Well, I'm not hearing her. Yes,
I never said. TT take Dragga when she want to take Dragga, make Shanel take Dragga when they want to, and everybody come out of their business because
the TT, the road me, and me tell you this the last thing before me take it down. If TT cannot hold herself and move on and straighten up herself, she's not gonna be around me because I want to win.
Yeah, Annie, she can't win still. I still go and do it. Annie, she can still win and go and do her thing with Dragga because Shanel not mine. Shanel alright. TT,
That's what I'm saying.
Today, you're going in a Dragga room tonight.
That's what I'm saying. Because I mean, when me come around, I never expect the two of them would all look so good. So when me come, it shock me. You know what I'm saying?
Sister's wife.
Wifey and Wayne they link up and them two together hug up each other, kiss each other and it works. So actually it look like them.
I believe about the threesome.
Me nah left. And then I'm good at tell the next one say me nah left neither. I don't see what I tell the 2 hours here. You see me I say?
I believe in the threesome. Follow me, I believe in the threesome. Listen, leave them better, live their life. Next thing, Shanel about. TT about, let them take turns.
That's it. But anyway, thank you so much, and it's a
no worries, my darling.
Thank you. Thank you for your own opinion. It means a lot.
No worry, Annie. Later, baby.
We follow you already, baby?
Later.
No, follow me.
Yeah, she has some good
So I told them gone upstairs.
Wanna go in?
I told them gone upstairs.
Listen me now.
Sister's wife, Annie.
Yo, we don't finish with all yeah.
Uncle's pampankas. Alright, so guys, I guess we're gonna wrap it up now, right?
Look, can I get one more now? Someone from Trinidad. We need someone from the
some people see the lion man yeah, a style, the youth. So me I say, and you know we can't take the lion man too serious still, you know, my people, because him boy, him F up, but you know what I mean, he entertaining, and you can't really, you know what I mean, don't like the dog at the end of the day, because him just make the place nice. You see me I say make TikTok nice, make the environment where him in a nice. You see me? So me I wait for him review upon the party look more, cause me know him a go style Annie and everybody, because remember you know him and Annie never good, you know, cause him style Annie, you know, and he come talk about it, you know, so me don't know how them good at the party, but me know see I bring down and go on today, you know, in the morning I look more, you know, me I wait for it.
I want that the avant. I want that. Stop, me dog, I know that. Stop, me dog, everything I know that. Clean your fuck. Yo, it dog, clean your fuck. I want that. Why? Hey, that. Watch him!
Remember them gonna screen record it.
But everybody, she did on YouTube and say everything, bro. So why me I got edit? She say it on YouTube. I'm not first man.
So Jagga, what do you want? Be honest.
TT, what you want?
I have to ask him, Tiana, from here, you want TV woman who study man by now, you know? Can you hear him? So well, I go better she move on it now go work. Why I don't know, I'm sorry for Shanel. Where you want Dragga TV?
No, wait, but alright, let's see if me and y'all gonna try, bro. You need to stop bring up the past, brother. Every minute me and y'all try, you always bring up back.
Dragga, hear me I say, if me and you there, me as a woman, I gotta bring up the past because a whole heap of things there that she never face.
Let go then because it's really toxic, bro. I mean, I need to hear what me do.
It's toxic because of what you are doing to her, you not stop, not change, Dragga. And then second yeah, that does keep down. Because guys, you can't force them to be in with them no one being I know. Shanel have to just find our way and just step aside now and just know say if the love is real, Dragga will find our back. She just have to find our way. TT, but it's hard to know say the other one they run too. And if you run with the other one, it's hard. Me not go trust him. Yeah, but you can't say and if you run with the other one at the end of the day. But Shanel made the wrong step. Shanel can't but I now go trust again because no matter what my man tell me, Shanel never choice again, you know. Yeah, but see, Shanel make a wrong move or make her man feel comfortable. Because remember, this is the girl your man cheated on you with, and you allowed yourself to be in the same space with her. So at the end of the day, you can't trust now. She don't have no choice because she say she want TT Dede and TT she not TT not. Yeah, but if Annie want TT Dede, me not for Dede. If Annie wants TT Dede, that means you have to be there. Sexy Dragga Dede, so Shanel not go want. Me not jump on no man. Me not forget my yard and make Dragga come running to me. If you really want me, to come at my feet. When you touch me, I do. You got your life and do what you do for your life because at the end of the day, what you're saying, Sienna, is true. The minute the door closes and me in them, I wonder what I don't know about. But you already made that place a safe place for your man feel comfortable around TT. We're not join forces with no mates.
Yeah. Alright, I want to understand. Me love my baby mother, bro. Mother try and mother do anything for her brother, but the toxic, they gonna keep on pushing on. I don't know. Probably
don't blame the toxicity on her alone, in a Dragga.
Yeah, I don't.
Don't blame the toxicity on her alone. Put it on the tone energy.
Well, the two we can agree then, better I don't break apart.
And that me I say, I'm not fight your feelings, because at the end of the force.
But when it comes on to my baby, I have a weakness to my baby.
No wrong move no make. Shanel realize she alone can't have the man, cause whether she like it or not, the man a go burn her. You see me, I said the man I go have different woman. So Shanel a try to work with the flow and accept TT, but she don't really like it. But for have the man see that that are the reason why she kinda embrace TT. She don't really want TT there. You know what I mean? She don't want TT there. Even though you see them kiss on live or something. You know what I mean? Shanel just a play along for keep her man. Cause she knows the man a dog. Just put it like what the woman them say. But you know what I mean? A man can't have more than one woman. You see me? That used to go on back in the days. I don't know why them change up the system, you know. You see it? Nothing wrong with the dog having 2 women or more. Let me know what you think.
You have a weakness here?
Yes.
Yeah. Weak or weak? Murderation. Dragga say my weakness or weak.
As me love her.
You show love too horrible though, Dragga. You have to show it different, man. And me feel like if you sit down and talk to Shanel and tell Shanel say, here are babes, come go home. And my mother, me had the round her because me have to help her. But me not think me want you here, so. Me come, me we sleep just like how you never sleep the last night I say you're there, best friend. You go sleep with the baby mother, you pass through when you're ready. I feel like if you tell her, she will work with it. But Shanel good as... They mute the live people, them a make...
What you want? What you want?
Them a rekindle.
What you want?
Where's Shanel there? Shanel.
Hi.
Shanel. What's up? Your boyfriend say I love you, but you're toxic. How are you going to fix that? Your boyfriend say I love you, but you're toxic, and sometimes you push him away. How are you going to fix that?
He make me toxic, but I can fix it if him change.
Yeah, but if you say somebody not change, Shanel. No, you have to just be the one for make the change. You have to be the change sometime, you know. As somebody want you, nothing can stop them from being with you, you know.
That's true.
So Shanel, let me ask you a question. You think you enjoy being in the environment with him and TT being there, even though you know say him the cheat with TT in the initial state?
Right now, to be honest with you, I'm the only person I trust on Shadi and TT. Because I know that Shadi and TT not nothing. I just not trust him around another girl.
Oh, you know, you're sure say him and another?
No, I am sure. I am sure.
Oh, the blood yes, Taji. I can win the heart, yeah. She's yearning for the taking. Well, Shanel, me, all I know, like you down your mind, don't set the way, but I don't know how you're going to fix it. So that means say, you know, I have no problem being there around TT and Jayden. Me never work with it doing
TT of our man. TT of our man. People need to stop calling TT name. TT of our man. TT talk to our man every day per phone. They have to stop calling her name.
So that's why you tell yourself, say, Shanel, okay,
TT.
Okay.
No, but
so that means that stop pushing your man, then Shanel, stop breaking your man fight and war.
Yeah, what you say?
Yeah, I said don't push away your man and don't war with your man and argue with him then, because if you're sure say...
push him and war him for TT. TT is not the problem.
No, I'm not talking for TT. I'm not talking for TT, good as. Not for TT overall, because they say you don't trust him around anybody but TT. So I'm saying you don't need for your name to be arguing. You don't need to just be building your relationship. Because if you're not a problem with TT, and to me, TT would have be the one, you know, would have be up in your face, and she's not the problem. So no need no problem then. Wow.
L0Ck Dung. Shanel, come on, family. Yeah, I broke my foot, man. I broke my foot. No, I want to cock up my foot, man. No, I don't want to breathe.
When Annie do nothing, Shanel enough for blame. And when Dragga do nothing, enough for blame Annie. And if I understand, say, Dragga owe him loyalty, you know, not Annie. By the end of the day, you know. Dragga is the one who owe him loyalty. The man who breed you, who is your man, him owe you the loyalty. We say, we profess him love, and say him love him, baby mother, because that's him say. Him is the one who owe you the loyalty. And if you remember, say, you say two sons, them want to come up, just picture down the road, if them have them woman, them wife, them girlfriend, in any case, you want to work with your child. You probably want to talk to them and make them know if you see them do wrong, you know, but you're not going to let down your picnic.
Surely no go do none of my daughter in my them.
You know, you cannot
situation here.
Eh?
Now put none of my daughter in them in that situation here.
No, but I know you are going to put them in that situation. And your son, them are going to do it. Remember, I know you are going to cheat, you know. Remember, I know you are going to make them feel some type of way, you know. And your son, them are going to do it. I know you. And then our daughter and I probably gonna go like she want blame you, cause if you see Mary come, you gonna tell Mary good evening. And if you see Jane come, you gonna tell Jane good evening too. So you cannot do nothing about that. You can probably talk to them, but there's nothing you can do about that. Probably talk to them, but there's nothing you can do about that. What Annie do? Why is the Annie is to be blamed? Ashley lifestyle. What Annie do? Annie never give Annie set you up with TT Dragga?
No.
Annie never give a girlfriend yet in her life?
No.
Annie never tell us if you left Shanel yet?
Yeah.
Oh, she tell us if you left Shanel?
Yeah.
Why? I must somewhere you go to your mother about a complaint because she can't just tell it far.
No.
You must go to your mother and complain when she said it for
you. My mother for what? How much years? 1 year? 1 year? Think of 1 year. Like she sees something on the internet and I reach out back to me on the internet and ask me to let her. Yeah, she go on top me.
Yeah, because when the bagga need to go on and the whole heap of back and forth in.
I think when Shanel finger did get cut.
Yeah, but
give me something, give me.
But look, when she go live and she just say leave her alone because at the end of the day it can cause it could have been something worse. I would say Annie not like Shanel. I would say she don't like her.
Doctor for something else and not that we're talking about. You want to say we got doctor for that and doctor tell us say you're full of complication. I don't understand what Annie try saying. Annie says she have a medication and Annie, you really got doctor for everything else other than your stinking mouth. Annie, come here. You really take up yourself, God doctor, because we don't know how your mouth stink and you got doctor because the internet make you got doctor for your mouth and doctor reach in your heart. And doctor tell you so you want to exercise. Then I saw your mouth think so till I'll exercise and forget involved and diet changing. Every time she talks, say her pressure too high. To how Annie behave from the app, you're going to tell me say Annie have high blood pressure and Annie behave so? Annie come back with a high blood pressure problem again and you're too wicked. You come like me when you forget.
Hey people, she bother the easy. Yeah, she bother said to her animal think and you have to go a doctor instead of dentist. Yo, why I'm not easy that you know, I'm not, you know, easy. But you want to go with people. Me here and did up on the life and I explain why she have to go a doctor instead of going to the dentist, you know what I mean? Because she have other problem. She have other, you just say she have ailment where it's like she can't just go take out her teeth, so because you know say your teeth is a nerve ending, you see what I say, and that when it comes to your teeth, them people, it's a different set of pain that can damage your nerves with people, you know what I mean? A serious thing when it comes to your mouth, so you have to know what you do. So that's why you should have to go to doctor with people differently before she got the dentist, you know what I mean? Let me know what you think, I watch some more.
You come like me when you forbid my pressure high. Ask me for going in the water so my pressure high. I can't take on the bathing. You're too wicked, man. Who this call me? One of my man them call me. After I tell the boy me in Jamaica like him want to send the pum pum. What's wrong with him? He might call on my phone. The boy just miss my good old so till he want to see it. When you can't feel it, you want to see it. Why you watching it? Huh? He might watch it like he want my FedEx it. Yeah. Back to the matter and now Annie. Annie the bad mouth. Then Annie come here. Your pressure could have never be high. Your pressure, that means that your gum rotten. The doctor forgot stuff cut in your gum. Worm go that in your gum. You pierce it. Worm go that in your gum. That's why I say TikTok police condemned for life. Him condemned for life for true. TikTok police is condemned. Me not ask for no. Nobody no trouble me. Nobody no trouble me. Annie, me a robot. Nobody do trouble me. A robot Annie. Me a robot Little Miss Doodle. Little Miss Doodle bread. Me a robot man. Yeah. And Annie have the mouth there so cold. Every cocky where you suck must stink. You have the all ready for them. No, but you people, I wanna broke them bad. I wanna broke them bad because you are stuck yourself and tell me no say. I need up on the internet with so much situation and never bring them out in the doctor. She never kill them out in the doctor's office. Somebody say you're cleaning, I'm gonna be there. Never be a shot, I don't. No, for real. Not even bubble gum can stop that. For true, not even bubble gum. I could have winter fresh, I could have Wrigley's, I could have the tough one them, I could have candy with the one lash friend. No bubble gum can stop any breath. No bubble gum. And just animal want to see about doctor said she for come off of the internet little. You know, wicked, one thinking break make doctor for tell you come off of the internet. Then take the doctor for we get rid of you. Not even a pick. For sure. Drindra. Why Rose did that bar? She never did that bar, she did that bar because she want for the money. Me don't want to talk about Rosealee because it's when you talk about Rosealee, me I tell you the Rosealee because it's when you talk about Rosealee. Me I tell you the truth.
Guys, I'm gonna see come and cry that way. I whole heap of people, guys, have kids that are in this situation and them never spend one day of them life with them. And for know that she have her and she try to help with her and them take for the woman baby. I don't never know my feel. I feel this to my core. Oh, we can't help them, what we can do? What we can do? You don't even know what to do. You can't really do it, you don't even know what must can talk to somebody that trace. Somebody always bigger. Somebody always bigger.
Some people want to tell me what you think in the comment section. It's America and an easy place when they come to the youth, them, you know, they take away youth for the simplest thing, you know. You see me, I say, but it look like she did want a break from it still. In my opinion. You see me, I say, because yo, sometimes them something there it rough still, you know. You know what I mean? For your mother have an autistic youth, you know, and she have to work, take care of the youth, and sometimes it's rough and them need somebody else with them. You know what I mean? If she did have a man live with, you know, although I don't know if she have a man live with still. But yeah, thing would have kind of maybe better. But sometimes them need a break from the situation. Although she a cry, you know what I mean, maybe she need a little ray, you know what I mean, because them don't really understand what go on still, you know. So for yourself, remember say you have to pour in on yourself before you can pour in on anybody else, you know. So if she want a break from the youth, you know what I mean, maybe him not go miss her in a way if you see her face, because that's something where she see every day or every time. But me not feel say that I go register in a way where I go say, yo, you know what I mean, no for sure the mother not around. You don't understand what I mean? Because it's the artistic youth, them not really register certain things like normal people and way. You see me? So she needs to get for herself together. So if she need to put the youth in the system and work on herself and go back for the youth and even visit the youth every now and then, she need to do that. You see me? I say, because you have to put yourself first no matter who you are dealing with people, because you have to make sure you good before you make sure everybody else good or anybody else good. You know what I mean? Make me know what to think.
Everything was supposed to do, but things will stop like me left out, but I'm caught right here, I'm tired.
Tracy, so what kind of help were you seeking from the facility?
Alright.
What were you seeking? What kind of help did I seek from them?
Did I go put her in a little bit? Right?
No, mama, don't attack you. Calm down. Just calm down.
Little bit. Because I lose my job. Too much I want. I'm going to put her in there and say, I'm bring her to the hospital. I'm going to think about to put her in the facility. So just get little help for little bit. Give me like at least a month or two. Because even I start chucking school. I'm a second week this. I start chucking school, see? And I want a 4-week program. So I said, I'm going to finish my chucking school. Get everything situated. And then I'm going to go back home and pick me. And that minute I got to see. You see the day I got a place now. We're going to take it out. The meeting I want to fuck up accident. You hear me? I still got a place, you know. And then I give me a tour, I couldn't even finish the tour. Come and tell them to me end of the year. I call the social service people. I'm going to tell her, I say, miss, I'm not put her in there no more. I have to keep my pitney. She said, why? I said, because I just get in our accident. And if that wasn't a sign, I don't know what it was. And if me I keep my pitney. She said, okay, are you sure? I say, yes. Me I keep my pitney. I'm going to, she said, okay, so what's the plan? I said, well, the plan is going to have to be that you guys are going to have to find nursing, 24 nursing, because she's supposed to get 24 nursing, and she don't get it. I said, you guys are going to have to find 24-hour nursing and give me back my fitness, send her back home. She said, all right, she have to go talk to her supervisor or whatever, she can come back. The woman never come back either. All right. I see today now, she call me back with the supervisor on the phone. The woman I got tell me, say, if you don't put her in the home, you cannot have her no more. We're gonna take her. You're gonna have to go to court on Monday at 1 o'clock. And if you got to hospital for go visit her, you have to have the visitation something.
You want a baby?
Them people tell me say I have a choice, you know. Oh, I go from having a choice to no choice no more. Mama
Mama, drink some water. Mama, drink some water. Remember, you have more kids and stuff. Things are gonna work out, trust me. May I tell you?
Coming out the body.
That not sound right. Unless Merca disappointed, then if them do that, because there's no way you go for help.
And I say, oh, she just asked them for help, so when she go back for them,
because the reason, it have to be a reason. She probably have some appointments. Some tell them, man, when they have disabled children, or even if you're a regular child, right? If they don't carry them, got them appointment and them someday, you can lose it, your pity. Yeah, you know, carry them, got them doctor appointment. They lose them when social service dig up in a year, pity life. Me I tell you, say, that the pity they gone. Has to be a reason, much more to it. Them now go just take a pity so. Look how much time people call CPS from Brenda. You think